My name is Jo McKay and I'm going to take you through the new Invati Advanced system. It reduces hair loss due to breakage and instantly thickens the look of the hair. I'm going to first shampoo with the exfoliating lightweight shampoo, which is going to exfoliate and renew my scalp. Then I'm going to use the thickening conditioner, which instantly thickens my hair and will make it look full all day. The next step is the new Invati Advanced Intensive Hair and Scalp Mask. Next, there's an exciting new product, which is the Invati Advanced Scalp Brush. This brush is going to gently loosen dead skin cells and product buildup. It exfoliates and increases microcirculation, stimulating and invigorating the scalp when massaged. So then I take that brush and then what I'm going to do is gently massage my scalp area to invigorate it. Next, I apply the new Invati Brow Thickening Serum. This serum is going to make my brows look thicker, fuller, denser. It's 96% naturally derived and it's going to nourish the brow skin to help restore the overall appearance of the brows. Next, I'm going to use the Invati Advanced Thickening Foam, and it instantly plumps for thicker, fuller hair that lasts all day. It's got amla and rice protein and it smells really delicious, and it's a very lightweight foam and easy to apply throughout the hair. My hair feels much thicker and fuller. After using the foam, I can really feel the difference. The final step is using Invati Advanced Scalp Revitalizer. This reduces hair loss and helps to keep the hair you have longer. It instantly thickens to help lift hair at the root and invigorates the scalp when massaged in. I'm applying it on dry hair, but you can also do it on damp hair. And it absolutely makes my scalp and my hair feel much thicker and gives me that root lift. I really love the Invati Advanced regime and I recommend it for you if you want your hair to feel thicker and fuller.